Hi, are you responsible for Microsoft Teams quality across dozens of locations, buildings, floors, sites, or cities? You know the pain. Quality drops, some users complain, but most never raise a ticket. The real impact across your locations is bigger than your ticket queue suggests. What if Kollective sent Teams quality alerts directly into your ServiceNow platform, where your team already manages incidents and workflows? Each alert aggregates every affected user at a location, however you've defined it in Kollective, whether that's a building, a floor, or a site. So you can automatically create records, spot trends, and resolve issues for many users at once. Here's how to get started. Here you can see the Add Destination modal with ServiceNow selected as the destination type. The Destination Details section surfaces the two required fields, the ServiceNow instance URL and the API key or token. First, note your ServiceNow instance URL by looking at your browser's address bar when you're logged into ServiceNow. Next, we need to create an authentication profile so ServiceNow knows how to accept Kollective's requests. Navigate to Inbound Authentication Profiles. Click New and create API Key Authentication Profile. Name it Kollective, set the auth parameter to x-sn-API Key Auth header, and click Submit. Now let's generate the API key. Navigate to All, System Web Services-API Access Policies, REST API Key. Click New, name it Kollective, add a description, and set the user to API Event Create User. Click Submit. Then reopen the key you just created and click the padlock icon to reveal and copy your token value. You'll need this in a moment. One last ServiceNow step, creating the access policy that ties everything together. Navigate to All, System Web Services, REST API Access Policies. Click New, name it Kollective, set the REST API to Inbound Event, then uncheck both Apply to All Methods and Apply to All Resources. Set HTTP method to post and resource to /globalm/JSONv2. Finally, add Kollective to the Inbound Authentication Profiles and click Submit. In the Kollective portal, go to Manage Notifications, Settings, then Destinations. Click Add Destination, select ServiceNow. Under Notification Type, select Stream Quality, paste your ServiceNow instance URL, and then add the API key and add a description. Click Create, then click Send a Test to verify. You're finished. Now when Teams quality drops at a location, ServiceNow automatically receives the alert and can trigger your existing incident workflows. One alert, one investigation, many users helped. You're proactive, not reactive. Questions? Contact your Kollective team for more information. Thanks.